Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create fillable forms with the help of two tools, which is going to be Canva and Sejda PDF. Now Sejda PDF is also completely free of charge. You can use it. It's going to be our second tool that we're going to use. The first tool is going to be canva.com. So we're going to start by going to Sejda. To access Sejda, you just come to your browser and type in sejda.com just like so. And then while you're here, you can come to all tools and you'll be able to select create forms over here, and then you'll be able to upload. But before you start, let me show you some of the caveat to this. For example, you can come over here, your files stay private, automatically deleted after 2 hours, and then you can do up to 200 pages and up to 3 tasks per hour, and of this size 50 megabytes. Okay, that is the caveat to this, but it's really wonderful. It's completely free of charge. So let's start by creating the document that we're going to make editable first. So to do that, we're going to come back to Canva, and what we're going to do is to search. So let's say registration form, for example, because it's very easy to use an already existing form, but if you want, you can as well go ahead and create your own form. So let's say we'll go with something like this. You can see the form is well created, registration form with all the details, the fillable areas. You can see everything is being created. But if you like, you can create on your own from scratch and then have it up to this point. Now, what we need to do is to come over here and say customize this. All right, so once you're here, you can see that we have the forms, and the content of the forms is actually, you can zoom in, you can see these are basic information, name, date of birth. You can actually customize this to your liking. So for example, you can make this a big AI, for example. You can customize the registration form, this detail and everything. You can customize this as well. Reasons for taking swimming lessons. You can make it this big, or you can remove it and maybe replace it with a drop down. Okay, reason for taking swimming lessons. We can have a drop down, and then down here we can have the signature, or you can just put your name. Okay, so write your name and, for example, school. Okay, this is just an example. So once you're done with here, if you want to add any section, we can come to elements and add the different other sections that you may have to this accordingly. Okay, so once you're done, let's go to export, come to share, and then we come to download. Usually we go with PDF standard. Since we are not preaching this, it's just going to be a digital version of this. So you can just go ahead and say download, and this is going to download the PDF version that we're going to upload now to Sejda PDF, as you have said, and it's going to make this form editable for us. So that's the first step, downloading the form, which we have just done. So we'll come back to Sejda PDF. Like I said, you have to come to create forms, and then you can to bring it over to that particular platform here. So you have to upload the PDF file. So let's click to upload it. So we have a file here. We can just go ahead, upload it, and then we can proceed with the editing. And this is our form that we just uploaded. So you can see the different sections. Now you can come to the fields over here. Okay, so this is text field, this is text area, this is checkbox, drop down, depending on what you want. So let's say if, based on our suggestions, based on our forms that we have, what we have here is the text field. So click, and then you can see the blue elements. You can just bring it in here and just click. Now once you click, this is going to be the sample of the text that you're going to see. You have a lot of flexibility over here because you can extend this size to fill up this, and then once you click again, you have the option to change the text color that you have inside this. I want to keep it at default at black, and then you can change the size. Okay, size you can increase and decrease accordingly, okay, depending on your choice. And over here you can check the alignment left, right, and center, and you can check the book color, the coloration in its entirety, the background coloration or border color. It's going to give you border color. Okay, so you can just go ahead and do that. These are other field options that you may want to change from text field properties, which we are going to look at later on. This is the property of what you have added. So this you can click out, and now you have an editable name section. Okay, so because name, date of birth, email, phone number are nearly the same thing, so you can just click on this, come over here and copy, and you can just paste it across. Okay, so you copy again, paste it in here, copy again, paste it in here. Now it saves you a lot of time for you to have everything in detail. Now this address is kind of big, So this same text is not going to work in here. So you can see text area instead of text field. So we can click on this. You can see now it's much bigger. So you can click and add, and then you can see the text sample line 2, 3, line 1, 2, 3. And you can do the same thing, extend it across, and even increase the size. Okay, like this, can increase the sizing, right? Very, very easy. And you can select it and have the similar properties that we have before in terms of the alignment, the text font size, and so on. You can make it 11 if you want, and then you can have many text. This coloration, I want to keep it at black, and then the properties as well. You have the maximum length, field mandatory. You can make any of these if you're interested. Increasing the length of the text as well, you can do that. Okay, so over here you can copy and do it somewhere else. Well, so this is a checkbox, so you can go to checkbox, you can click on checkbox, and see it's small here. You can just click and then you can resize it. Okay, and resize it to make it kind of small, and just align it here. And then if you click on it as well, you have these properties that you have text box, just a tick. Okay, you can make it a mandatory section, can change the text color as well as whatever. So let's change this red, and then you can copy the same property, okay, and just paste it in here for saving of time. You can do the same thing to this one as well. So you can do the same thing to this one as well. So now you have a fillable tick boxes all set up. So the last thing, of course, is going to be a drop down. So let's click out, and then we're going to have a drop down over here. So you can just click on it here. So the reasons for swimming, you can click the properties in here and you'll be able to have option 1. Okay, let's say option 1. Let's say option 1. Just click in here and click on this. That's it. You can make it health. And then this second one can be competition. And then can just say for hobby. Okay, all right, so you can allow multiple selections if you want, or you can make field mandatory. I want to keep everything at default, and you can click out. Okay, so you can see right now we have 3 drop downs, which if we have saved the form, you'll be able to see it directly, right? So I want to keep the color also to black, the text color to black, so let's keep that black. And then lastly here, just name and school could be just a text field. You can just put it in here and then resize it to something smaller. Can copy these as well and paste it in here like we've said. All right, and now your form is complete of the fillable section. So you can just go ahead and say apply, and you have your form fillable that you can download and use directly on your computer as well. So let's download this, and you can see we just downloaded it. And let's go ahead and try to see how we can fill in this form in our PDF document. So you can see we can just go ahead and write our names very easily, date of birth, phone number, email address, and then we have this section that had the address of the people. You can see this is the fillable section. Okay, you can text, can select, and you will see the coloration of what we have given. Over here you have the drop down list, which you have competition, and select from the drop down, and then down here you can type in your name. You will type in here, and you can as well save this and use it for later content. So this actually concludes this simple tutorial on how to use Canva and Sejda PDF to edit your PDF and make it fillable completely free of charge. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.